How's it going, everybody? Thanks for checking out our video. Today we have a 2011 Ford Explorer Limited. Like new Cooper tires on it. Brakes and rotors were recently changed. New plugs, new injectors, new coils, all Motorcraft parts. Have all the receipts. Very well maintained car, in great shape. As you can see, the body for an 11, it's a limited, so it's got all the extras. Body's in great shape. Just have one scuff right here. But besides that, a little bit of bug wear on the front bumper cover, but besides that, she's in great shape. Check out the inside. See the back seat, super clean. Has a third row back here. Super clean, big old panel roof. And this does have, it has Bluetooth, it has backup camera, nav, and start her up. She has 566 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thank you for checking out our video.